In most software, every robot architecture is a model you build from scratch. Here, it's a few clicks. We start from an articulated arm. We switch the arrangement to PPP. The prismatic links come out short, so we extend them to fit. Now, to make it concrete, let's recreate a specific example from the book. Figure 4.2. We choose set 0, 0, and give the two twist angles 180 degrees each. Then we fix the joint offsets, B1 at 300 and B3 at 100, leaving B2 as our variable. The three joint angles go to 90 degrees, and the link lengths to 350, 250, and 300. And with that, the robot matches the book's figure exactly. Now the key idea. Open inverse kinematics. In this arrangement, the PPP only reaches along a single line. Move the target along Z, and only B2 responds. Now, by changing the architecture set and the twist angles to get the well-known Cartesian PPP, one that fills a whole volume. It's the mechanism behind machines like 3D printers and CNC cutters, the first of the orthogonal architectures. Next, PPR. The full method is in the book on Springer.